This video is brought to you by SBO Digital Marketing. Enroll in our course today and unlock amazing work from home opportunities. Simply send your name and qualification via WhatsApp to 999 to get started.
ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாதீங்க, பெரிய தப்பு. தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்க அரிய வாய்ப்பு. இன்ஸ்டாகிராம், ஃபேஸ்புக் பயன்படுத்த தெரிந்தால் போதும், கண்டென்ட் போஸ்ட் அண்ட் கண்டென்ட் பப்ளிஷிங் மூலமா தினம் 300 ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்கலாம். இந்த வேலை செய்ய 5 நிமிடம் போதும். ஒர்க் ட்ரைனிங் சப்போர்ட், குரூப் கம்யூனிகேஷன் சப்போர்ட், ஆல் லாங்குவேஜ் கஸ்டமர் லைவ் சாட் சப்போர்ட், முக்கியமா சொந்தமா ஒரு பிசினஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற அளவுக்கு உங்களால கற்றுக்கொள்ளவும் முடியும், சம்பாதிக்கவும் முடியும். இந்த வேலை வாய்ப்பு வழங்குவது 5 வருடத்திற்கு மேல ரன் ஆகிட்டு இருக்க நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டு கம்பெனி ஸ்கூல் ஆஃப் பிசினஸ் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் பிரைவேட் லிமிடெட். மேலும் விவரங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கொடுத்திருக்க நம்பருக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க.
Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to use text function in Excel. To convert a text into capital letter, I type here the formula equal to upper of text cell. I select this cell, close the bracket, press on enter. Now I get all the letters in capital. To get the letters in small, for this one I type here the formula equal to lower of open the bracket, I select the text cell, close the bracket, press on enter. You can see even though it is a mix of small and capital letters, all letters are converted into small. Next we are going to find the proper, that is first letter of each word in capital, D and L. So I type the formula here equal to proper of, I select the text cell, close the bracket, press on enter. Here you can see D and L are capital letters. Next we are going to find the length of the text. We are going to find the number of characters. So I type the formula equal to len of, I select the text and enter. We get 16 letters including the space. Next, used to extract character from the left from the text. For this I type the formula equal to left of, I select the text cell here, comma, I need 5 characters from the left, so type 5 and finally close the bracket and press on enter. I get Sugan, that is first 5 letters extracted. Next we are going to find right, which is used to extract character from the right, equal to right of, I select the text cell, comma, number of character from the right, so I type here 9, close the bracket, press on enter. Now I get Ganapati, so you can count 9 characters here. Next we are going to find the mid. I type the formula equal to mid of, here I select the text cell, I select this, next comma, starting number, our letter starts from 3 and comma, end on 5 letters, so I close the bracket, press on enter. Now I get the results Jagan, starting 3 and 5 letters. Next we are going to find the trim, which is used to reduce the unwanted spaces here. I type the formula here equal to trim of, I select the text cell, close the bracket, press on enter, I get without spaces. The find function, what is the position of the character in a given text. So I type the formula equal to, here we are going to find I, capital I. So I type the formula here equal to find of, within quotation I type the character I, capital I, quotation, comma. Now I select the text cell. Now close the bracket and press on enter. Here I get the fourth position because capital I is present in number 4. The find function is case sensitive, so we get number 4. If I put small I here, then I get the answer as 2 because this is case sensitive. Next we are going to find search function, which is not case sensitive. Here I type the formula equal to search of, within quotation I type small I, quotation, comma, I select the text cell. Close the bracket, press on enter. Now I get the values 2. Now we are going to find replace a letters in the given word. Here we are going to replace first 2 letters. So I type the formula here equal to replace of, here I select the text cell, that is mirror, comma, starting letter I type first letter 1 and number of characters we want 2 characters, M and I. So I type 2 here, comma, replacing letter, that is H and O, small o, I type quotation, close the bracket, press on enter, we get the result as horror. Next, substitute function. Here I type the formula equal to substitute of, open the bracket, I select the text cell, horror, comma, here I type the letters H, O, quotation, comma, and the replacing letter, quotation, T, E. Quotation. The last one is not compulsory, so I close the bracket and press on enter, and we get the result as terror. If we, in case we replace this capital HO by small ho, then we will get the same result. So you have to type it correctly. So in this way you can use all the text function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.